Look at these tails. Let's give it a taste. Cool, right? Want to balance your gut and your liver quickly, effectively, and deliciously? Add some sprouted seeds into your daily menu. It is super easy. Stick around to the end of this video to learn how to make it at home and what are the benefits. I guarantee you by the end of this video, you're gonna wanna try it. By the way, subscribe to my channel to learn how to turn your food into medicine, and share this video with somebody who has liver or gut trouble. And of course, like this video so more people can find me. Let's start growing. It took me 48 hours to grow these. To start the process, you're going to need a 1-liter glass jar, a sprouting lid, some dry beans. I'm using mung beans, green mung beans, whole, not split. This is half a cup. Some Himalayan salt, a bowl, and access to a sink. You can sprout over a dozen different seeds, beans, grains. I invite you to check my other video on buckwheat sprouts right here. Today we're growing green mung beans, one of my favorite. Very juicy, simple, and easy to grow. The process is as follows. Wash, soak, sprout. Here's half a cup of seeds, and you really don't want to be using more because we will be growing them in this jar, and you want to have enough room for them to expand and grow. It is important to wash the seeds really well as step 1 to eliminate any debris and any possible spores that could have snuck in during the packaging process. For this purpose, Himalayan salt is super effective. Usually the ideal recipe is 1 part of salt, Himalayan or sea salt, to 9 parts of water. So super concentrated salt solution, but I usually just eye it out. So add some water to a bowl, mix it up, add the beans, and literally just have it sit for 5 minutes. Once 5 minutes is up, you want to really rinse it out well until the water runs clear. Watch me. Now that the water is clear, we want to let it sit overnight or for 12 hours. That's even better. You can leave it soaking in a bowl, or better yet, for convenience, transfer it into a jar. You will not need to use the sprouting lid until the following day. This is how the seeds are going to look like in 12 hours. Soaking starts the sprouting process, and oftentimes in 12 hours you can already see like little tails coming out of each seed. Can you show it close? Cool, right? So we started with dry beans. 12 hours later, they look like this. You drain all the water. You wash them again really, really well until the water runs clear, and at which point you want to transfer them to a glass jar. A word on this sprouting lid. What's so special about it? It is super convenient. So you don't have to buy the kits with trays, and that is bulky and it requires a lot of maintenance. This and a jar, it will allow you to rinse it very quickly and easy. So that's the beauty of the sprouting lid. I am attaching the links below this video. Putting the sprouted lid on, tighten it and invert it, put it in a bowl like this, away from direct sunlight. The seeds are like a precious gift packed in a box. You know that the gift is something that you wanted, but you are not able to appreciate it until you actually unbox it. So sprouting is activating the seeds. That is like opening the precious gift box, like unboxing the benefits. Mung bean sprouts are packed with unique amino acids and digestive enzymes. Your gut bacteria craves these. Every time you eat food, know this, you feed your gut bacteria. And if you want your gut bacteria to thrive, you want to feed what it likes the most. If you're in love with a man, would you want to feed him something he dislikes? Same here. Just invert it in and out several times until the water runs clear. and let it sit in a bowl. That's it. Ta-ta-da-da! Here's the final product. Here, you want to show it close? Look at these tails. It smells so fresh, like baby peas, snow peas. Look at these beauties. In 48 hours, we went from this to this. Let's give it a taste. Simply add a spoonful of sprouts every morning, chew them thoroughly to your diet to start loving your gut. Or better yet, add them to your salads. Check out this video right here for an easy healing recipe with sprouts. My name is Oksana. I'm a registered nurse and a natural wellness coach. So you can sprout your health to the next level, hit the subscribe button and like this video. Here's to a long and healthy life.